Okay guys, in here. Today I have some object we learned today. So let's take a look at the object. I will show you. Okay guys, today we gonna make it his pocket knife. So let's follow me. Okay guys, let's just follow me to make it this you call it or you name it pocket knife. So I will start to make it a stick like this. I have already my measurement, so you can just follow my measurement, or when you have your own, it's up to you guys. Feel free to use your own measurement, okay? Like this, like this, and this thing. Down about 10 and like them, like that, enough. And this one about 15 and about flying for this is about 16 yeah, 55. I make it arc point with 3-point arc. Okay, that's enough. And finish it and start to make it extrude this. Extrude this face to the right about -10 and okay. And make it display to the components, okay? I'm run from parent. And then let's make it another buttons for the handle of the knife. So you can just copy, but I will show you how to do it. You can extrude this face and also use a two side like that and like that. Okay, that's enough. And extrude. Okay, like that. And then make it the knife, okay? This one. You can just click this print. Oh, sorry. I want to make it the whole first. Okay. Just make it line like this. And find the center point and make it the whole about 8. And cut it off to the face or to the bodies. That's it and okay. Okay, let's start to make it the round or the arm for this ball. Make it the head of the ball is a 10 and extrude. Okay, maybe 3 inch enough. And let's test it in. The hole is 8 diameters, so this ball is about diameters 7.95, sorry. Okay, mistake. And just extrude. And okay, make it this as bodies. Okay, like that. So let's do it. Please hold to the hole like this. Okay, and you can pull it to setting the placement. Okay, I think little bit more. Okay, and this okay, and I will start to make it the head or the gold. It's 10 and join and extra about 3. Okay, and the ceiling is one like this. Okay, how about 3? And make it enough. And this one also 3, like that. Okay, and let's start to edit the knife, okay? This one, the last one. Okay, let's start with it, this one. Click the space and press L and make it 5 to the right and enter, and 5 again to the down. Okay, and start with it line to the left about 80. 80 is enough, and then line again to the left, sorry, to the right, but 25. Okay, maybe it's too much. Sorry, maybe about 20. Yeah, 20, and down about 15, yeah, 15, and then from here I'm gonna make it of 23. Okay, like that, and start making the 3-point arc from here to here, and make it like this. Okay, let's pull, and then let's start to line it in from here to the left about 50. Okay, and the last one 3-point arc from here to here, make it like this. And okay, mistake. Okay, just extra, okay. Okay, sorry, I will overtake it, it's already have a hole or not. Okay, so we have to make it the hole also, okay. Okay, I think it's easy. You can just turn off the arm, okay, and start to extrude like that. Okay, maybe it's about 9, and use a 2 side, make it a -1, and like that. And make it as a real component, okay? And okay. So I wanna just move it, guys. And you will know why I move it this one, okay? And on the arms. And maybe you can name it, okay? This is the blurring. This is maybe more, okay? And this is the knife. Okay, so you can just assembly and join this knife through this hole right here. Okay, that's it. And you can move it to position of yeah, in -4. That's it. And motion, you can change the type of revolute. Okay, you see? And you can just set in the movement. Okay. Okay. You see? Simple animation. Okay, the next one we have to make it some modify for this face and this face also, okay? So for the knife, you can use a temper and this edge and this edge and just make it a cream. Okay, like that. And enter. Okay, and you can just temper also this edge. Over 1, or 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think I'm gonna show it so. Okay, and then fillet this one, guys. This edge, all of this edge, and this value, make it on 2, or 3. Yeah, maybe 3 is 4, and enter. And also, on the other side, on the other values, fillet, and this fillet, okay? And click all of the edge and make it 3. Okay? Simple guys, and very easy to make the pocket knife, okay? Okay, the last one, I want to make it the appearance for this knife, okay, or the pocket knife. For this body, I want to make it maybe color, maybe yellow or red. How about red? Yeah, I think red is really cool. Okay, and then for the knife, I'm gonna make it something like glasses or mirror maybe. Oh, what? Oh, no simplex. I'm gonna go with my password. Okay. That's all. And on wheel. What no? Okay. I'm gonna make it from maybe. From there. I think from is really cool. Okay. Okay, guys. We finish this pocket knife. You can follow this tutorial to make it pocket knife and very easy and very simple. Okay, and also you can make it the animation or movement of the pocket knife. And then thank you guys for watching my video, and also I need the support, comment, like, subscribe, okay? And let's make it a lot of okay, okay? And I will try to. So, I will see you guys on my next video, okay? Bye bye.